Bro, I'm so hungry.
Man, are you for real? It's only the first day of Ramadan.
Yeah, but I can't handle it.
Bro, it's only 10 a.m. It's so easy.
Anyways, what are you doing?
Man, I'm just looking at this dud's profile, bro. Look.
Yeah?
Thinks he's such an Islamic scholar. What a joke. Every 2 minutes, a new Islamic update.
Are you serious?
Can't believe it. Look, man.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, psh, that's him now.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Walaikum
Good
assalam. Man, why is he looking at us like that? What's wrong with him?
Didn't they know it's Ramadan? Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome,
Walaikum assalam.
You do know it's Ramadan, right?
Yeah, of course.
So why are you eating?
Eating? What are you talking about?
I'm not eating.
Yeah.
I must be seeing things. Sorry, it's probably because I'm fasting. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can you believe that guy? Just came in with the Quran in his hand. I told you, bro. What a joke. Can't believe it. Oh, bro. Did you hear this new song? Check it out, man. What a tune. What a tune, eh?
Why do they keep eating? It's supposed to be fasting. Didn't they know it's Ramadan?
Hey, quarterfinals on tonight for FIFA World Cup.
Oh, yeah, it is too.
Yeah. Hey, I was thinking maybe have iftar at my place and then we'll watch it together.
Man, I'd love to, but my mum's kind of strict, man. I got to be home for iftar.
Oh, come on, man. Surely you can. Like, it's only once every 4 years.
Look, I'll give her a call and see what I can do. Just wait here, I'll give her a call.
Alright, cool.
Assalamu alaikum, mum. How are you? Alhamdulillah. Yeah, I probably can't make it, mum. Yeah, I got an assignment. Yeah, I got an assignment. I got to do an all-nighter. Alright. Assalamu alaikum. Oh man, look at that. One more hour till we can eat.
Oh, yes.
Can't wait, man. I'm starving.
Can't wait till it's over. Whoa.
What? Oh man, that's not right.
No, it's alright. First look.
Nah, man.
First look. Uh-oh.
Boys, what are you doing? Are you really fasting?
Yeah, of course.
We haven't eaten all day.
Look, fasting isn't just about not eating and drinking. You don't just fast with your stomachs. Your whole bodies have to fast. That means your tongues have to fast, your ears have to fast, your eyes have to fast, and also your whole bodies. Most people, when they fast, all they gain is hunger and thirst. Don't be one of those people. Actually make the most out of this Ramadan and don't miss out on the reward. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Thanks.
Sure?
Jazakallah khair.
May Allah help us all. Assalamu alaikum.
Ameen. Walaikum assalam, bro. Hey, you know what, man? I think he's got a point.
Yeah, I know. It's true.
Yeah, we need to make some changes this Ramadan.
Yeah. No more backbiting, lower our gaze, no more listening to music, and just we'll be good for this Ramadan.
Sure.
Yeah.
Hey, man, look. It's almost time for Maghrib. Why don't we go read some Quran?
Yeah, let's go.